Hi, my name is Anya Smith with A to Z Quality Fencing. I am the daughter of Aaron and Renee Smith, the founder and owners of A to Z Quality Fencing and her sister company, A to Z Fence Supplies. So for the last 26 years, I have been watching my parents and our business grow, the different techniques that we've used to get to where we are today. The biggest one I do want to talk about is our no mess, no dig installation technique. Now, we are not the masterminds in this technique. Agricultural fencing as well as chain link has been done this way for many, many years, but we are definitely pioneers within the industry as we've been doing the no mess, no dig installation across all of our materials for the last 27 years. That's our vinyl, our chain link, our aluminum, and our cedar fencing. My dad is actually the one that helped design the machine that bores out the center of a cedar post so we can still slip that over a galvanized pipe. What that no mess, no dig installation system is, it is a galvanized pipe that is driven 4 to 5 feet in ground. We have an average frost line of 48 inches here in the Midwest, so our posts go at least 2 and below that 48-inch frost line. And then our post is sleeved over that, whether it's a 2.5-inch aluminum post, a 5x5 or a 4x4 vinyl post, or a 4x4 cedar post. There's all a galvanized pipe in that system. That means there's no need for concrete unless absolutely necessary. One of those situations would be if there is underground utilities within 24 inches of where you would like your fence to be located. That means we don't have to be digging up your yard, and that means as an installer, we don't have to be hauling, digging holes all day and breaking our backs. There are many other positives that go with the no mess, no dig installation as the homeowner. For instance, one, repairs, even though they're not inevitable, they may be necessary. Let's say, for instance, that grandma goes a little crazy on the lawnmower and just takes out this post. If this post is damaged, instead of having to haul out a whole big thing of concrete, we're able to take apart this section, sleeve off the post, replace the galvanized pipe if necessary with a new one, and then sleeve everything back on, of course, with new material that's not going to be damaged by grandma's lawnmower. Another huge benefit of the no mess, no dig installation is that we can install all year round. That means even with the snow that we have on the ground now, or even a couple inches, we're still able to get that galvanized pipe into the ground through the frost line and install your fence, whether it's the brightest day in summer or a snowy day in winter. So if you're in the market for a fence right now, remember these things about the no mess, no dig installation. We're going 4 to 5 feet in the ground. A big question I get is what's better, the no mess, no dig or concrete installation? And to be completely honest, there's nothing wrong with concrete as long as it's done correctly. That means it still has to go at least to the frost line, and you actually want a bell-bottom shape in the ground in order for that concrete not to eventually heave out of the ground and make your fence look like this. So with the no mess, no dig, we do it right. We are going 4 to 5 feet in ground. We're not using concrete unless absolutely necessary. We're not going to tear up your landscaping and leave you with a bunch of excess dirt to clean up in your yard. If a repair is needed in the future, it makes it that much faster and more efficient, again, without damaging the landscaping that you may have installed after the installation of the fence. And maybe one of the biggest of all, we are one of the pioneers in the industry for this no mess, no dig installation. We have the experience and we actually teach around the country on this no mess, no dig installation so others can have easier, faster, more efficient, and less laborious installations for other homeowners worldwide. And because A to Z Quality Fencing has been doing this since its foundation, we have 30 years of experience, 30 years of knowledge, 30 years of perfecting the craft of the no mess, no dig installation, and we give you a lifetime warranty on that galvanized pipe from any leaning or heaving of your fence line. So if you're in the market for a fence right now, or you even just want a ballpark range of what your project is going to be, give us a visit at atozqualityfencing.com. When you go to our website, in the top right of your screen, there's going to be a red quote button. If you click on that, you can get an instant online estimate for your fence. We're going to ask for a little bit of contact information. You're able to draw where you'd like your fence to be located on your property. At any gate, select the height, style, and color of your fence, and you'll get an instant ballpark of what your fence project is going to be, whether you're on the schedule for this year or the coming year.